പേര്?
എൻ്റെ പേര് വിഷ്ണു.
വിഷ്ണു അല്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ എത്ര കൊല്ലമായി ഇവിടെ ജനിച്ചത്?
ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഒരു 8 വർഷമായി.
8 വർഷമായല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. ഇവിടെ
റിസപ്ഷനിൽ ഞാനിവിടെ ട്രെയിനിങ്ങിന് വന്നായിരുന്നു.
പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഓക്കെ. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. I am at Cochin International Airport right now. I am flying to Dubai. From Dubai, I am flying to Moscow, Russia. I am very excited, so I'll be vlogging it daily. Like you can get a daily videos, so don't forget to subscribe. I am traveling on a budget, so I will be showing how to travel on a budget. This travel is going to be very long, maybe an year. From Russia, I'm going to Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Iran, from there Turkey, from the Balkan countries like Montenegro, Bosnia Herzegovina, Serbia. Don't say like it's going to be a very long journey. I'll be explaining how and how I'll be traveling everything in my video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this video. And this video I'm going to show you from Cochin to Dubai, traveling from Cochin to Dubai. I got my immigration everything cleared. Only thing, while you are going on a tourist visa outside India, you need to have your return ticket. Unfortunately, I didn't have my return ticket, but I could manage. Like I booked on in the same spot and got the return ticket, so it's all fine. So immigration is cleared and the security check, everything you have to keep into the tray. Like it's literally everything, charging cables, everything you have to put outside your bag. So get prepared for that, guys. Sneak peek into Cochin Airport, and we'll board the flight to Dubai. I'll explain you everything, how to travel on a cheap budget. So stay tuned guys, watch the full video. We are going to board the flight after 1.5 years. Very much excited. Hello. Hi. Inside the flight now. We just finished the boarding. And in a few minutes we will be flying again after 1.5 years. So that is 1.5 years. It's a long wait, and finally I am flying, guys. First time in Emirates. I hope it will be a great flight to Dubai. So enjoy the video, guys. Hello guys, I'm just landed in Dubai, and I just came up. Just take directions towards connections, not arrival. Once you arrive in Dubai, and you have to go through the security check. All your things should be in bag, or else you have to put inside the tray, wallet, batteries, mobiles, everything. So make sure that you don't have any metal items, even watch also on your body. Okay, so do that before coming to security check, and it will be super easy, super fast. There's nothing to worry. I'm just strolling over here. My gate is B13. I'm walking towards there in Dubai, famous Dubai duty free shops. Sure. So guys, don't exchange your money in travel X in Dubai if you are going to third country, because they charge hefty amount. 1 ruble is equal to 1 rupee almost, but they convert into dirhams, and from dirhams to Russian rubles, pretty much high. It's always better to avoid this. Anyhow, once I reach Moscow, I'll updating on that. So you just need your RT-PCR, you need your visa, and if you are traveling outside India on a tourist visa. And one more tip, don't tell them that you are traveling on a tourist visa. They'll ask, because they'll not come to know, because it's in if you are going to Russia, it's in Russian language, or if you're going to some other country, so they will ask whether you're going on tourist or not. So if you say that resident, they'll not ask you anything. So you can see that A380, you can only see the nose. I'm just outside now. I need to go for hostel right now. So guys, I reached Moscow yesterday night. What happened means yesterday night, no, flight landed at 8:10, 20 minutes before actual landing time. Then after that we went to immigration directly. Immigration, there were a lot of people, and I was the last in that. Okay, in front of me there were a few Indians. So these immigration guys started asking a lot of things from those Indians who are in front of me, and they were like they were searching for the things in the bags and all, bookings, those things and all. But as I went for another guy, immigration guy, he asked me the passport, and I just kept my RT-PCR and other form filled form, but he didn't ask anything. Okay, I'll show you a view once again. See this, how good it is. Super, right? He didn't ask me anything. He just went through the passport, every stamping US. I had a lot of I had visa of US, other country visa in my passport. So he just called in that, and he just said, "Welcome to Russia," in just 1 minute. I got just turned. I was standing there only. I didn't know. I didn't realize this. He is saying to go. Then I said, "Do you documents?" "No, you go." Then I felt very happy. I came out, I took my baggage claim, and from there I came out and I took a SIM card of Beeline company. So I paid around 1,000 rupees for 1 month, unlimited internet, unlimited calls. Taking the SIM card, next I was supposed to come to the hostel. So how will I go? So there is a Aero Express. I landed in Devondo airport. Devondo, I think I will give it here in the bottom. So Devondo, from there you have to take Aero Express train. Aero Express, it costs 450 rubles. So there is exit 3, so don't go out of exit 3. Just beside that you have an escalator to come downside. So take that escalator down underground, go to the ticket counter, take buy the ticket, 450 standard one. Between something there is one more stop, but just to exit. So whoever want to deboard the train, they can deboard from there, and last stop is the only stop. From there you have to get down, and there is a nearby metro also. Whichever place you want to go to metro, like places, you can switch over it. So if you are taking taxi and all, it will be 1,500 rubles or 2,000 rubles depending upon your location. So it is always better to take the train. Buses are available, you can take the buses also, but I am not aware of buses. I am aware of other airport, which is SVO. That airport, from there 60 rubles you will get a bus to downtown. So but I am not aware of from this airport which are the buses are coming. So that's it. So that's it for this video, and hope you like the video. Please like, share and comment. Whatever your doubts, comment. I'm going to travel through the Russia, mostly differently. I'll be traveling. I'll be going to Georgia. I'll be crossing over through the land border, and from there I'll be going to Armenia, Turkey and Balkan countries. So do subscribe, like, share with your family and friends who want to travel, want to watch the travel videos. So it's 9 degrees, it's 8 degrees over here, not 9, even 8 degrees. It's freezing here, but I'm just walking. And okay guys, I'll see you in the next video guys.